A custom-built masterpiece that combines the unadulterated elegance of a five-star hotel with the sheer power of a large rig. The 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is a real giant of the road. Usually constructed on a sturdy Kenworth T680 or W900 chassis, its intimidating look belies its aerodynamic, streamlined body. Its powerful hood conceals a powerhouse, usually a Cummins X15 diesel engine or a PACCAR MX-13. In addition to offering smooth power for carrying, these engines' enormous torque also incorporates cutting-edge fuel-saving technology, which is occasionally combined with a hybrid electric system for optimal efficiency and range. This is a motorhome that undoubtedly stands out on the highway because to its striking grille, shining chrome, cutting-edge LED lighting, and specially painted body. When you take the wheel, you'll discover a top-notch cockpit that blends cutting-edge technology with tough utility. A huge 15-inch digital display takes the place of the conventional dashboard, providing the driver complete control and up-to-date information. The panel may be customized to display anything from tire pressure and trailer condition to navigation and engine diagnostics. You can operate the car's systems without ever taking your eyes off the road thanks to the multi-function steering wheel that houses all of the important controls. Long trips are smooth thanks to the ergonomic design, plush leather seats with heating and massaging features, and an excellent sound system. The living area is a surprise once you go outside the cockpit. With its open concept floor layout and many power-operated slide-outs that increase the living space at the push of a button, the motorhome's interior is a haven of luxury. High-end materials are used throughout the interior, from luxurious leather sofas and elaborate ceiling decorations to rich hardwood flooring and exquisite cabinets. The room is flooded with natural light from the large panoramic windows, and the smart home system allows you to easily manage the lighting, temperature, and entertainment settings via voice commands or a central touch panel. No matter where life takes you, here is a place where you can genuinely unwind and feel at home. The master bedroom is a cozy haven. It offers the ideal haven after a tiring day of travel thanks to its complete king-size bed, top-notch mattress, and plush bedding. With clever built-in storage options and plenty of walking space, the room is roomy. The bedroom is transformed into a private movie theater with a huge flat-screen TV and a specialized sound system. Large windows with blackout curtains allow you to sleep in total darkness or wake up to a stunning dawn, and the ambient lighting can be adjusted to create a peaceful ambience. The restroom is comparable to an exclusive spa. It has a porcelain toilet, a full-size vanity with a high-end countertop, and a roomy glass-enclosed shower. You will never run out of warm water thanks to the shower's many jets and on-demand hot water technology. The design smoothly incorporates ample storage for toiletries and towels. The design is completed with sleek, contemporary finishes and premium fixtures, making the room opulent and refreshingly clean. The motorhome's kitchen, designed to meet the needs of even the pickiest cook, is its focal point. It has a full-size stainless steel refrigerator, a convection microwave oven, an induction cooktop, and granite or solid surface counters. Cleaning is made simple with a pull-down faucet and a deep sink. Every item is of domestic quality, and there is plenty room for cookware, dishes, and groceries thanks to the spacious bespoke cabinets. This is a complete gourmet kitchen that is intended for five-star meals on the go, not simply a kitchenette.